Why is your desire not manifesting? अगर आपने इस वीडियो पे क्लिक किया है, आपके मन में यही सवाल चल रहा होगा बिकॉज अगर आप लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन या लॉ ऑफ अजम्पशन को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे होंगे जिनमें बताया जाती है कि ये टेक्निक यूज़ करने से यू वुड गेट योर डिज़ायर। बहुत सारी सक्सेस स्टोरीज भी आपने सुनी होंगी, बट व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग इट इन योर लाइफ मे बी यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द रिजल्ट। Why is it so? Well, in this video we'll get to know why is it so and काफ़ी अलग वीडियो होने वाला है। अक्सर आपने यही सुना होगा, you should focus more, you should believe more, you should trust more, blah blah blah. But in this video there is nothing like that and maybe you would be surprised to hear the points कि मैं actual में क्या बोल रही हूँ। So stay tuned till the end क्योंकि last वाला मेरा favorite है and it is the most effective thing which if you understood for once आपके manifestations के लिए आपको इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी and I am sure about that. And another thing that I am sure about is by the end of this video you will find a relief within you कि आपकी desire आपके reach में है and yes you are doing the work. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasleen and आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you mistakes that we do in our manifestation journey and क्यों हमारे manifestations delay हो जाते हैं। बहुत simple वीडियो है, easy to understand है, do give it a watch। अगर first timer हैं आप तो भी इट विल हेल्प यू अगर आप अपनी मैनिफेस्टेशन जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो। और मैंने और 2 वीडियोस किए हुए हैं लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन पे, अगर आपको ये वाला अच्छा लगता है तो यू कुड चेक देम आउट एज वेल, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। एंड अगर आज का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो हिट दैट लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। मेरे इंस्टा हैंडल को आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, इस वक्त आपको स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा एंड मेरे पिछले वीडियोज़ को भी एज आई सेड बिफोर डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिंक्स के थ्रू आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो के साथ। The very first thing which we aspiring manifestators do is overdoing our practices and maybe you are hearing this for the very first time क्योंकि कई बार हमें यही बताया जाता है you have to focus hard, you have to believe more hard, you have to do this, you have to do that और उस चक्कर में we start overdoing everything that we are doing. You know, law of attraction हो, law of assumption हो, affirmations हो, visualizations हो, उन सब की एक core चीज़ है which is to make you realize that you already have your desire. पर जब हम ये करते हैं, when we start trying to manifest our desire, the very first thing, the very first premise which we give, which we start with is मेरे पास ये नहीं है and I want this. हाँ, ये normal भी है and I am not saying कि at the first place you would go with कि यार मेरे पास तो ये है, otherwise आप manifestation नहीं कर रहे होते, right? But what I am trying to say through this point is it is not necessary for you to repeat it every single time in your mind. जब भी आप अपनी कोई भी practice करते हैं, if you are doing this to yourself कि unnecessarily आप उसे repeat किए जा रहे हैं even when it is frustrating you, क्योंकि हर चीज़ में ये बोला जाता है repetition is the key, चाहे वो visualization हो चाहे वो affirmation हो, but there is a downline to it, there is a लिमिट टू इट, क्योंकि जब आपका माइंड उससे फ्रस्ट्रेट होने लगता है एंड व्हेन यू आर नॉट इवन इनटू दैट प्रैक्टिस, आप कैसे उस फीलिंग को कॉन्जर कर सकते हैं कि इट इज़ ऑलरेडी योर्स एंड यू आर ऑलरेडी हैविंग इट। क्योंकि अगर आपका ब्रेन उससे फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहा है, अगर आप उससे फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं स्टिल यू आर गोइंग ऑन विद योर प्रैक्टिस, तो वो आपको बेनिफिट की जगह और हार्म कर रही है क्योंकि इट इज़ टेकिंग यू अवे फ्रॉम योर नेचुरल फीलिंग। पहले भी हो सकता है आपके पास पहले बेटर होप्स थे, बट अब क्योंकि आप उसे ओवरडू कर रहे हैं यू आर गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड और आप और अब नहीं करना चाहते, इवन यू फील लाइक कि अरे यार मुझे फिर से ये करना पड़ेगा। एंड अगर आपको ऐसे में आपके डिज़ायर मिल भी जाती है, ट्रस्ट मी यू विल नेवर बी सेटिस्फाइड क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आपने कितना हार्ड वर्क किया है इसके लिए। एंड द की थिंग जो कि आप सबको पता होगी फॉर मैनिफेस्टेशन इज़ effortless work. It is not hard work, it is effortless work. तो अगर आप इतने efforts डाल रहे हैं कि खुद frustrate हो रहे हैं, how can you have your desire? तो अगर आप ये कर रहे हैं, please limit your practices to a number जो आपके लिए satisfactory है. I am not saying stop it or do it just once a day. It is also enough अगर आप एक ही बार करते हैं, you are completely satisfied with it, अगर आपको relief मिलता है उस टाइम पे वो चीज़ एक बार ही करने से, प्लीज़ डू इट ओनली वंस इन अ डे, ओनली बिफोर स्लीप और ओनली आफ्टर वेकिंग अप। डोंट रिपीट इट। फाइंड इट आउट कितना नंबर आपके लिए सूटेबल है, कब आप सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं, कब आप एट पीस होते हैं कि हाँ अब ये हो गया एंड यू कैन मूव ऑन विथ योर डे। That number is perfect for you and only repeat it for that number of time. Trust me, your desire will come to you क्योंकि आपको hard work की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It is all just how you feel about your desire and about yourself that is working and bringing your desires and manifestations to you. Number 2, unnecessarily repressing your negative thoughts, doubts and fears. मैनिफेस्टेशन के टाइम पे वी ऑल फेस फियर्स, वी ऑल हैव डाउट्स, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता हाउ आवर डिज़ायर इज़ गोइंग टू कम अबाउट, बिकॉज यू आर ट्राइंग। और अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हैं एंड यू हैव हैड मैनी फॉल बैक्स इन दिस जर्नी, डेफिनेटली यू वुड हैव डाउट्स, यू वुड हैव फियर्स। और अगर उस टाइम पे यू थिंक कि आई शुड नॉट थिंक दिस वे, it will amplify and it will not let you perform your practice, क्योंकि जब भी आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस करने जाएंगे वो फियर बीच में आ जाएगा and you would not be able to move past it। अगर आप उससे फाइट करके आगे बढ़ भी जाते हैं तो भी कहीं ना कहीं you would have a doubt in your हार्ट कि यार आई हैव बीन नेगेटिव अबाउट दिस, तो पता नहीं ये मैनिफेस्ट होगा कि नहीं। द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कैन डू ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम इज़ अलाउ योर फियर्स टू कम आउट, लिसन टू देम, लिसन टू दोज डाउट्स। उसे जस्टिफाई मत कीजिए, डोंट रैशनलाइज देम, रादर जस्ट लव देम, just listen to them, give them their own point of view, let them speak to you, because unless you allow that energy, every emotion within us is energy, so agar wo energy, if it is not going out of you, how can you have a better energy or love energy or energy of gratitude, right? Unless you let that energy out. And how do you do that? By feeling your emotion, by listening to them. Journaling agar aap karte hain to bahut अच्छी बात है, नहीं करते तो try this, writing your fears and doubts down on a paper, automatically आपके दिमाग में ideas आ जाएंगे कि ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है। एंड ऑल्सो सम सिंपल सूदिंग स्टेटमेंट्स कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प यू, लाइक लेट मी ट्राई दिस टाइम, मे बी इट विल वर्क आउट फॉर मी, आई एम अ गुड पर्सन एंड येस थिंग्स आर सपोज टू वर्क आउट फॉर मी एंड आई वॉन्ट टू सी दिस टाइम, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स, I want to give it a chance, I want to give myself a chance, let's just ease out a bit and then go ahead. Ease is the key to manifestation. If you are not doing it with ease, with love, with fun, it can never manifest easily for you. And in future also जब भी आप ट्राई करेंगे, you would be dreading your practices, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि कितना ज़्यादा effort और energy वो लेता है, जबकि इसका एकदम उल्टा होता है manifestation. It's effortless, as I said before. Number 3, forgetting your present joy or not living in your present blessings. What I mean by this is, so many times what happens is हम इतने future focused हो जाते हैं, we are so goal oriented or so focused on I have to do my practice, I don't know how it is going to manifest, I have to feel good, I have to do this, I have to do that, कि हमारा present which is the key to your future, जो भी opportunities आपके पास आएंगी, it is coming to you in your present, जो भी ideas आपके पास आएंगे, it is going to come to you in your present moment. But if you are disconnected from your present moment and if you are just doing your practices thinking ki I don't know when it is going to happen and obsessing about it, and as I said, overdoing it and just ignoring your present joy, क्योंकि आपको भी ये बोला गया है that you should be feeling this particular emotion or this particular emotion, आप present से अगर completely disconnect हो जाते हैं, you are going to have a hard time in your manifestation, because your present, as I said, is key to your future. Unless you enjoy your present, unless you can handle your present with the feeling of your future, you cannot reach your future. You know, so many times it happens, we forget कि हमें present में कितनी सारी blessings हैं. Yes, I know we all face problems and हो सकता है आपकी problem बहुत बड़ी हो, which I don't know. I completely respect that. But again, I would say you have blessings. There are many blessings that you have to work on finding so that you can know कि आपका present already beautiful है. And from that place, when you do things, when you practice your techniques, when you do your affirmation, your visualization with a relief in your heart, with that ease in your heart, your manifestation comes to you like a magnet, and you are like, मैंने तो कुछ इतना किया भी नहीं, and it just happened so magically. I don't know how it happened. That is the best manifestation that can happen to you, where you are not at rush, where you are not desperate, where you are at ease in your present. Despite the problems, you are able to handle them. You know your future is going to be better. और फिर आप अपनी manifestation techniques करते हैं. That is the best kind of technique that you could find and the best way you could do it. And the last one and my favorite is forgetting that your manifestation are stemming from you. So many times जब भी हम कुछ imagine करते हैं, कुछ भी, it's a financial career, it's a relationship, it's a health condition, we detach from ourselves. We are in a future जो हमारे लिए हमारा future ही होता है. It is not our present. I don't know if it is making sense to you right now or not, but what I am trying to say is, अगर आपके साथ ऐसा होता है दैट यू आर इमेजिनिंग और विजुअलाइजिंग एंड स्टिल फीलिंग कि आई एम नॉट दैट गुड फॉर इट, या यू आर नॉट फीलिंग कंप्लीट इन साइड ऑफ यू दैट येस यू कैन हैव इट, दैट टेक्निक इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू एनी काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट. एंड इफ यू हैव बीन फेलिंग दैट मैनिफेस्टेशन, आपको नहीं मिले जो आपने चाहा था, प्लीज़ रिफ्लेक्ट कि वर यू श्योर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू हैंडल इट, कि वो आपको मिलेगा एंड यू डोंट हैव टू वर्क दैट हार्ड फॉर इट. इफ द आंसर इज नो, then obviously your result would have been a negative manifestation or your desire not coming to you, because you know, law of attraction is basically it gives you who you are, not who you think you are, not who you imagine yourself to be, but who you are. So do you feel those qualities in you right now? The person who has it all. The best manifestation technique that you can follow is, whenever you imagine a financial situation, a house or car or your specific person, just focus more on who you are being during that time. अपना पूरा attention उस चीज़ से हटाकर bring it on yourself and reflect कि what are the qualities of that person, how does she or he feels, how does she or he does things, walks, talks, eats, any such thing, how does he or she handles their problems, their lives. Ask yourself these questions and you would find their answers. अगर आप उस चीज़ को imagine कर सकते हैं, if you know that you want this, you definitely have an answer to all of your problems, trust me. So rather than focusing more on the financials or on the health or on the specific person, focus on yourself, who you are in those things, and how can you bring that person into your present moment, how can you feel like them, how can you act like them. Because जो भी वो person है जो ये सब experience कर रहा है, that person is whole and worthy. If you get to the core of that, this is what we all are, whole, complete, worthy beings. And if you can get to that feeling which is specific to you, you can definitely have everything you want. क्योंकि आपकी हर desire का एक core feeling होता है, that is you feel complete after having it, you feel fulfilled after having it. And if you can feel that, do that manifestation that way, do that technique that way. और अगर आपको लगता है कि you should let go of everything, if you're really burdened, please take that break and lighten yourself, because nothing is going to happen if अगर आप अपने आप को burden कर रहे हैं and you are just trying and trying and trying so hard to manifest your life, कि आप अपने आप के लिए और ख़राब कर रहे हैं चीज़ें rather than getting into the zone or feeling good. If you are not feeling good after doing that technique, that relief that yes हो गया ये, it is not working for you. It is really not working for you. You should definitely find other thing or other way by which you can ease yourself out and then do that technique, because eventually it is all you who is doing it, it is all you who wants it, and it is all you who is going to have it. How can you be that person in that ease, in that relief? Find your relief first, then do whatever you want to, and your manifestation will come. Because बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कुछ नहीं करते हैं इन सब में से and still they have the life they want, because they are the person who is able to handle that life. So become that person, become that ideal version of you, that best version of you, person who is complete, whole and fulfilled with that relief. If you can go forward in your manifestation journey, trust me, you are going to have it all without even doing so much which you are putting your efforts and energy into right now. So I really hope you will get that कोई एक चीज़ आपके साथ resonate हुई होगी and you would take something and follow it, because your relief is the key in your manifestation journey. Your ease and happiness is the key. Please do not ever forget that. Do not rush so hard behind manifestation techniques that you forget yourself, forget your present life, your present blessings. It is nowhere going to help you, and you can have it. You are already having your desires, they are already on your way, and I'm sure you will get everything you want. Ease out, chill out, as Abraham says, and see what universe has to deliver for you. So please do give any of these things a try. If you're doing it too much, lower it down or be more self-focused, more on your happiness and your present joy, and allow your fears and doubts to come in, speak to you and go out. Give them love, give them their point of view, and see how magically you can manifest everything you desire. So I really hope this video helped you. If it did, do hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Insta page को आप मेरे चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. Handle would be on the screen right now, and मेरे पिछले वीडियोस को डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक्स के थ्रू चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. Take very good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and listening. And remember, you deserve the world.